Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, August the 5th, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday, and I've promised you to solve 4 puzzles in the additional. I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So now it's time for the third one, the binary, and later on I will do the tectonic with 4 stars. Yeah. Alright, binary puzzle. Number, this will be number 6876. Yeah, 6876. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here now 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. And between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here in the second column. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. Quick to solve without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Not quite right for this afternoon, because in the evening I will solve the Samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. Alright, so until then, bye bye for now. See you in a minute.